In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a calendar remind to a landing page. So for example, if you are doing a webinar or a training and you want people to add that specific event to their calendars, whether that's Apple or Google or whatever they use, then this is a great tool to do that. In this tutorial, I'm going to be using Kajabi to add the reminder to on their landing page, but this works on any website. So the app that I use is called the Addevent App. So once you have registered and created an account and logged in, it's going to take you to this page, and this is going to be the Addevent dashboard page. So I'm going to click on Create, and it's going to give me the option to create an event or a calendar, and I'm going to create an event. So then I'm going to go ahead and test this, and I'm just going to put test event. Then you can put in an internal name. I'll just put test. Then we are going to set a date. So I will set a date coming up. Let's do the 4th of October from 10 to 11. Make sure that you are in the right time zone. You can put all day, you can put recurring. This is for the paid version of Addevent, or you can put an RSVP. So I'm going to leave it like this. The location of your event right here, you can put your Zoom. If you have a Zoom link, you can go ahead and place that Zoom link right here, or if it's a specific location, you can put it there. So I'm just going to leave this blank for right now. Then the next thing it's going to ask is notify the users 30 minutes before the event begins. You can change that if you want to do an hour before. I'm going to leave that to 30 minutes. Use standard template for the event landing page. Again, if you want to upgrade, you can upgrade there. Then I'm going to go ahead and I am going to select create. So it is creating that event. So here is the event right here. So then I'm going to scroll down, and it's going to give you different options for different, depending on how you want to use that. You can share this event on social media. So this is a social media. So this is an actual link that you can post in social media. Add calendar links to emails. So here is the one that you will add to email. Add calendar link. This is a website and landing page. So this is the option that we want to use right here, because this is for websites and landing pages. So you will see you have a couple different options for the reminder. You can do add calendar, and this is what it will look like on your web page or landing page. Or the option 2 is it will show you add event to calendar, and it shows the different types of calendars. So I am going to select this one. I like the simplicity of this one, add to calendar. So once I have decided what template that I want to use, I'm going to select copy, and it copies that code onto my clipboard. So this is what the code will look like, but I've copied it onto my clipboard. So I'm just going to select copy. Okay, now what I've done is just created a basic landing page that is just a thank you page for registering for my event. So I am going to come into Kajabi, and I want to add a section, and I'm going to add, the section I'm going to add is custom content. So I'm going to go ahead and add that. Then I'm going to scroll down to the bottom of this page, and I'm just going to delete this text that they have. I'm going to turn off the image and the overlay. Then I'm going to come down here, and I'm going to add content, and what I'm going to add is the custom code. Then I'm going to just select all, or Command A, and then I'm going to paste Command B if you are an Apple user. So then here it added that, and then I can come in here and I formatted a little bit better, and it adds it right there. And then I'm going to go ahead and select save. And that is how you add a calendar reminder to a landing page in Kajabi.